Welcome to SmartBlox. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Roblox on 2 different accounts at the same time. This will only work on Windows 10, I believe, but you can feel free to try it on any other computer. I'm so sorry I haven't been posting for the last 2 weeks. I've been really busy with my new puppy, but I'm going to try to post more like every other day. So that'll be a blast. So let's head on right into the tutorial. So currently right now, everyone, I am on the website. So if I just go ahead and go out of full screen, you can see I am on roblox.com/home, but there's another way. So what you need to do is go on to the Microsoft Store, which I am on currently. Then what you need to search up is Roblox. And look up Roblox. And as you guys can see, there's a Roblox right here. So here we are, here's Roblox. And then you go ahead and hit get. Now I already have it, so that's amazing. Alright everyone, this looks a little familiar. Yes, we are on the app of Roblox. So everything looks a bit different, but you can see you can buy Robux differently here, which is in my other tutorial, which I'm going to make after this. So yeah guys, that's how you can play 2 different games at the same time. So I can go ahead and get into another account and play a game at the same time when I can play it on the website. So yeah guys, I don't know why you'd be using this, but if you guys did enjoy and thought this was useful, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you know when I upload my next premiere. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. Bye!